Hi, I'm Yulia, founder of Kiddy School. Kiddy School is an IT learning environment for K-12 students. Our goal is to ensure every kid explores his pathway to digital literacy and can compete globally. We offer private, semi-private classes and summer courses on different programs: Python, Java, Scratch, robotics, web and mobile app development, and more. We use a combination of interactive projects and motivational system, competitions, and homework performance rewards. We work with passionate teachers who are trained by Google and Microsoft certified professionals on how to deliver an effective online learning experience. Our courses have different levels and students get inspired every time they complete another milestone and get a certificate of achievement. Join our community of parents who know for sure what kids' activities to invest for.